Hi, welcome to ObjectSecurity easySCRAMS website. You can log in or create with your company's email or Gmail. After you are in the main page, select Guided Step 1 to start. If you have any question, please click on question mark to see more information. Inside the information window, you can download an example table for your reference. In step 2, upload or drag and drop your tables. If mistake, just delete and upload again. In step 3, we do field match. For SAP table, those fields are automatically matched and ready to go, but you can inspect and update if you want. Step 4 is the analyze process. Once you press go button, you complete the process. Backend analytic process takes time. You can close the app now and wait for the notification in your email. Next is the demonstration of ERP table upload, field match, and analyze. Step 3, field name match. It's an important step, so spend extra time to match required field with your ERP field name accordingly, as much and as precise as possible. Take your time to review. Once complete, go to step 4 and hit go button. Next demonstration is if your data is not SAP or ERP table. We suggest you to click on question mark and read the information and download example tables to understand each sub-selection means before proceed. Once related tables are uploaded, go to step 3 and do the field match as much precise as possible. Once complete, go to step 4 and hit go button. Open your email and click on View Report button. Select Step 5 View Results, and you can see two kinds of reports, the anomaly and the search reports in the accordion. Just expand and collect using the side button to view, search, or download your reports. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching this video.